To be equals
sein.
English-German Quickcast. Welcome. Great to have you here. Let's have fun learning German together. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for extra lessons, transcripts, and games. Today we flip the existential light switch to be that's
Sein.
Warm up your voice, high-five the air, and let's start. Your goal today. By the end, you'll use to be in all key forms with confidence. Goal check. Master.
Sein.
In the present.
Ich bin. Du bist. Ist. Sie ist. Es ist. Wir sind. Ihr seid. Sie sind.
If you can say those smoothly, you win. Forms and rhythm. Clap or tap as we groove the forms. Repeat after me. I am.
Ich bin.
You're one friend.
Du bist.
He is.
Ist.
She is.
Sie ist.
It is.
Es ist.
We are.
Wir sind.
You're, you all.
Ihr seid.
They are.
Sie sind.
Base form.
Sein.
Bonus chant.
Ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind.
Funny dialogue. Here's a tiny sitcom. Listen, then echo the German parts. Roommate A. Who left the fridge open? Roommate B.
Es ist.
A mystery, but
Ich bin.
innocent. A. Dude.
Du bist.
Standing in front of the fan. B. Exactly.
Es ist.
Hot. A. Where's Max? B.
Ist.
In the park. A. And Anna? B.
Sie ist.
Late but fabulous. A. So, team.
Wir sind.
Ready? Crowd.
Ihr seid.
Loud, and
Sie sind.
already dancing. Rapid fire drills. Your turn. Speak fast and smile. I'll cue you with English. Say, I am ready.
Ich bin bereit.
Say, you are my friend, to one person.
Du bist mein Freund.
Or,
Freundin.
closing parenthesis dot. Say, he is here.
Ist hier.
Say, she is tired.
Sie ist müde.
Say, it is cold.
Es ist kalt.
Say, we are a team.
Wir sind ein Team.
Say, you all are amazing.
Ihr seid großartig.
Say, they are ready.
Sie sind bereit.
Infinitive check. To be.
Sein.
Culture tip. A quick culture nugget to make your German feel alive. In Germany you'll hear slogans like
Du bist Berlin.
and football chants.
Wir sind die Besten.
Exclamation mark quote. Notice how
Bist.
and
Sind.
reveal person and number. No subject needed sometimes, but we'll keep it clear here with
Ich bin. Du bist. Ist. Sie ist. Es ist. Wir sind. Ihr seid. Sie sind.
quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll reveal it after a beat. Ch.2. German for to be. A.
Sein.
Ch.2. We are, in German. A.
Wir sind.
Ch.3. She is. A.
Sie ist.
Ch.4. You're, to a group of friends. A.
Ihr seid.
Ch.5. Fill the blank.
Unterstrich, Unterstrich, Unterstrich.
Mood, equals he is tired. A.
Ist.
Ch.6. True or false.
Sie sind.
Means, they are. A. True. Q7. Bonus. Say, I am here. A.
Ich bin hier.
Challenge and outro. One last push, then we celebrate. Challenge. Create 3 lines about your day using
Ich bin. Wir sind.
and one of
Ist.
slash
Sie ist.
slash.
Es ist.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, revisit this quickcast, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, games, and downloads. Du schaffst das.
Du bist.
Unstoppable.